Good morning, students. Today, welcome to the IT class of class 10. Today we will discuss about the working independently. So, last day we have discussed stress management. What are the tips for students and the techniques, different techniques we have seen, we have discussed for the students how they can manage their stress. Okay, so today we will see the importance of working independently. Means, what is the importance of if you will take a decision your own, then what will be the benefits of that? That we will see. Because listen, see, we human beings are nothing without others. No, so always we from the childhood we have listened that. Having work in team spirit, about the team spirit, all those things we have listened from childhood, and that is very uh, good, excellent quality to work in teams. However, in life, it's not all the occasions when we have to work in uh, team. Sometimes it required to take a decision our own. No, so in life, moreover in life, or not all the occasions and situations demand a teamwork. Many conditions require that one must be able to handle the situation on one's own and work independently. No, so in this session we shall discuss about that quality, about that quality, working independently, and what all it takes to work independently. Okay, so some scenarios require independent working, such as self learning, self confidence, understanding. So similarly, independent work or self regulating regulation, so working on an independent project and so on, that is also required for us. So important things about independent working is this: you take a full responsibility of the work, any work. Okay, you try to take responsibility of that work, and you take the ownership of that work. Like, you don't require constant supervision. Okay, you are ready to understand work, that is, you don't require constant supervision. You are capable of completing the work within stipulated or specified time. Okay, deadline that you try to do. Because not all situations are fit for independent working. There are situations in which you must know about how to work in team. Like, when you are playing football or cricket, then you have to play in a team. Then that quality you should be. But however, some situations require independent working, so you should have both the qualities so that you excel in your life. Okay, so what are the advantages? There's many advantages of this independent work. First thing, you don't depend on anyone else for your work. Okay, so you are your own boss and can decide what to do, and what to do and when to do. So you can decide that. This is the one of the most important advantage. So being independent means becoming self monitoring, self aware, self correcting, then understanding when and what we need to do, then taking initiative instead of waiting for any other suggestions or instructions, then taking initiative, completing any job or work for to the best of our ability, according to our ability we can do without any external pressure. Then identifying and working at a pace that we can sustain without getting stressed. Okay, then taking ownership or responsibility for our mistakes, uh, and trying to rectify them. without that telling them, without blaming them others. Take responsibility your own and trying to rectify that them. Then taking ownership, rejecting any self doubt or negative emotions that can take a toll on our work to our personal life. So these are the things we need to be independent, because it is the benefit, it is beneficial because it becomes more productive. Okay, so we can make ourselves more productive, then because we can gain more. Okay, so we can get an opportunity to learn and grow. When a person lacks the ability to work by himself or herself, then the learning process is hampered and the person reaches stagnation. However, when the person attempts any task with a never say die attitude, or he or she may commit mistakes, but at the same time would learn from the experiences and grow uh, in the true sense. Okay, so these are the different benefits. Gain more satisfaction. Then, because if we work independently, then according to our ability we will do the work, so then it will be more satisfaction we will get, because we don't need someone's order, we don't need any boss, we are our own boss. Okay, so in that case, point to point and relying on others for every and small decision makes a person more of a machine. Okay, so we tend to lose interest as we don't feel responsible towards our work. Okay, because every time we have to uh, wait for others order, and that if anyone gives a order. But if we work independently, then that doesn't need we. So it gives us an immense sense of satisfaction. Then next is, it gets an opportunity to learn and grow. When a person lacks the ability to work by himself or herself, then process is hampered and the person reaches stagnation. Just now I have told you that. Then becomes successful in all walks of life. Like success can never be achieved by following someone. Okay, because every time you are following everyone, every time anyone, any person gives you order, and then you are following that person, so you don't have any responsibility, you are only following the instruction. So it is very uh, it's very hampered and harmful for your professional life. Okay, so if one aims to become a leader and be successful in all walks of life, then one needs to master the ability to work independently. So when we rely on ourselves and our capability, then we tend to achieve success in both personal and professional life. So become fearless. Next is become fearless and confident. So confidently you do the work. It may be initially, it may mistake, there may be mistake, but however you do the work, next time again you try to do the work independently. Okay, so relying too much on others or not being able to work independently indicates self doubt and lack of confidence. Okay, so work independent makes a person fearless and also confident about his work. Okay, so that is, these are the importance and benefits of working independently. So these are the very important things. Next is like emotionally strong, and it becomes a emotionally strong, like emotional weakness is a sign of too much dependency and reliance on others. Okay, so when we cannot work independently, then we become emotionally vulnerable, and due to lack of any support, uh, we are very we feel emotionally weakness in ourselves. So in such situations person easily get stressed and give up without even trying. So if you try to do your work independently, then it will be better for you, for your professional life, for your personal life. Okay, so empower others around you also. Okay, because who are surrounding you, your friends, you also tell them to do the work independently. So and you being a leader on an independent worker does not imply being a dictator. To be a significant efficient leader, it is important to empower the people around you. Okay, it is only then that people develop a sense of belonging and following your instructions and performs as a team. You can become a then team leader also. So these are the thing about this working as independently. These are the benefits, these are the importance, why we, I think all of you understand why we should be independent, we should do the work independently. So that's all for today. Thank you.